Hey guys, welcome back to Arry the Stag. TR Tony here, out on a beautiful bank holiday weekend. The sun is shining, the roof is down. What could be better than travelling around in the Triumph Stag? Hot news, guys. Many of you have been asking for quite some time what the heck happened to UNY 49M. It's our first Triumph Stag that we bought actually 9 years ago, and as you may well know, many of you have been following the journey. It's been down to Alan and the welders for welding and then bodywork and respraying and so on. So for those who may have very long memories, this was a car in 2017 when we bought it home, and looking at the car, as you can see here, it was in a pretty sorry state. It had been left outside in the rain for a number of years under some pretty crummy tarpaulins, and in fact there was a lake on the back seat, I remember, when we went to go and pick it up and transport it home. As you can see here, Harry and I decided to take the car to bits, literally down to the body shell itself, with a view to getting it shot blasted at a local company in Poole, which we subsequently did. And you can just see the nod there, he says, to the different colour that the car had come in prior to the pimento red that it was later sprayed in, and was the colour that we got it in when we got it home, which is more of an orangey red rather than a red. But nevertheless, we have all the bits and we were planning to rebuild it from here on in. And once it had been shot blasted, we then took it down to Alan's, the welder, who spent a lot of time re-welding every single part of the car and rebuilding it up to a point where it was ready to be painted. And I decided then at that time to paint it in a bright Inca Yellow. And between that time and this time, and I'm talking probably 3, 4, 5 years now, I've actually gone off the yellow colour. So just watch on to see what I decided to do to appease my anxiety and perhaps go back to originality as well. People have been saying, come on Tony, what are you doing with the car? Well, life got in the way, a few things at home, issues and whatever, so now we're back on track, and I've just been down to Alan this morning. It's a very brief review of what we're going to do with UNY 49M. So follow me, let's go and have a look in his garage and I'll show you what happened. So here we have UNY 49M, the Triumph Stag that we all remember being in a Inca Yellow. Now at my request, changing colours, Alan, yeah?
Yes. To magenta.
To magenta. So that's the plan, and Alan's already done a trial spray of the underside of the bonnet, and that's the colour that the Stag is going to be. So looking forward to that. This was actually the birth colour of this car originally. It's been through hundreds of colours, we think, Alan, don't we?
I think you've gone through it, possibly every colour.
Every colour, yeah. Certainly red, I think, pimento, wasn't it, when we first got it?
Pimento red,
yeah,
was one door.
Yeah.
The other door went magenta.
Okay.
The boot lid went Inca Yellow. That was all the test pieces.
That's right.
Settled on Inca Yellow.
Yeah.
And I mean, one way to look at it is a fantastic undercoat.
Yes. And Alan's been very kind looking after it for what is now 9 years, we worked out just now.
Yes.
So it's coming home this time. I'm really pleased that I've chosen the right colour now. So magenta, although some may not agree. It's kind of quite nice that it's the birth colour of this car originally.
Well, that's it. I mean, at least you're going back to original.
Yeah, exactly. So the work starts here again. So yeah, that's the update on UNY 49M. We'll check in with some more updates soon. All right guys, well, I hope you enjoyed that. I think you can see the germ of the new colour scheme. It will be magenta. I'm actually very pleased about that. I didn't like the colour initially when we first looked at the original colour that the car came in, but that colour has grown on me down the years. I've seen several examples that absolutely look the bee's knees. So that's been the decision. I've gone off yellow. The wife's very keen to have magenta as well, so that's the choice, and we'll be following Alan. He reckons over the next couple of months this will be done, and as he said, the car will have to come back to our house to then be rebuilt. So watch this journey. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, because don't miss out on the future videos that will be coming down the track very soon. All the best then guys, have a great weekend, and we'll see you online on Arry the Stag very soon. Cheers for now.